We're outside the block today in New Street Brighton, and we've got some of the contestants out here, Daniel and Jade, as you can see. There they are, posing for photos. Beautiful house. Lots of people around. Can't see Luke or Jasmine. I think they were out a little bit later. And Jimmy and Tam were here. Got to have our photo taken with them, but they have gone inside from house 5. So yeah, they were here, but they've gone inside now. They're still one of our favourites. Summer Hill, Luke and Jasmine's house. Really cute. Apparently this house was brought here from Elwood, which is pretty much the next suburb down the road here in Brighton. So yeah, Summer Hill didn't have to come that far. But yeah, lots of people around.
I don't know. Yeah. So home for a few months and then back again down to finish off.
Sarah and George's house. Fortunately they're not around, so here you are. Sorry, 362B. Harry and Tasha's house. Can't see much there. They're at 364. Lots of poppers around. Honolulu's around. Honolulu, you enjoying the block houses? Honolulu? Good girl. Yeah, that's it for now. No one else is around. See you later. Bye.